Embarking on a journey to become a pharmacist involves a series of well-defined steps that lay the foundation for a rewarding career in healthcare. The first step requires you to complete prerequisite college coursework, typically spanning 2 to 4 years of undergraduate study. During this phase, students immerse themselves in essential subjects like biology, chemistry, physics, anatomy, and mathematics. This foundational knowledge is crucial, as it paves the way for understanding the complexities of pharmaceuticals and human biology. Once the coursework is completed, aspiring pharmacists must earn a Doctor of Pharmacy, Pharm.D, degree from an accredited pharmacy program, which usually takes an additional 4 years of focused education. In these programs, students engage in both theoretical learning and hands-on training, preparing them for real-world scenarios. Graduating from a program recognized by the Accreditation Council for Pharmacy Education, ACPE, is vital, ensuring that the education meets rigorous standards. Simultaneously, students are required to complete internship or experiential hours, integrating clinical rotations and practical training into their education. This experience is invaluable, as it not only hones their practical skills, but also gives them insight into the day-to-day responsibilities of pharmacists, such as patient interaction and medication management. Upon completion of educational and experiential requirements, the next significant hurdle is passing the necessary licensing examinations. This includes the North American Pharmacist Licensure Examination, NAPLEX, and often state-specific law exams, like the Multi-State Pharmacy Jurisprudence Examination, MPJE. After successfully navigating these exams, aspiring pharmacists must obtain a state license by applying to their state board of pharmacy. This process may involve meeting additional state-specific requirements, ensuring that each pharmacist is well-equipped to provide safe and effective care in their respective states. For those wishing to further enhance their qualifications, completing residency training is an option, allowing candidates to delve deeper into areas such as clinical practice or specialization in fields like oncology or critical care. Finally, to maintain their license and stay updated in the rapidly evolving field of pharmacy, pharmacists must participate in continuing education activities and renew their licenses as required by their state. For international pharmacists, the journey includes obtaining certification through the Foreign Pharmacy Graduate Examination Committee, FPGEC, and fulfilling additional state requirements. In total, the path to becoming a pharmacist typically spans approximately 6 to 8 years after high school, blending education, practical experience, and ongoing professional development.